Talk to me, Iz. Good girl. What you saying? What are you talking about? Itty bitty Iz. You better talk to mommy. You better talk to mommy. Do you love your mommy? Do you love your mommy? Give me a smile. Give me a smile. Give me a smile. Why are you being mean? You're being very mean. Come on and talk. Ooh. Put that dress down, silly. Kick them legs. Look at that little acrobat. Ooh. Get it, Iz. Good baby.